What's up, POVLA? Where you at? Where you at?
Yeah,
Where's Mount Lowe?
Shout out to POVLA. You got us to do this.
Where's your...
All right, this is Zach and Wyatt. We are going on a hike. It's a little different.
We're going on hike?
Yeah, we're going on a hike.
On hike.
I think I said a hike.
We're on to hike.
How you doing, Zach? You already worn out?
What are we doing?
We're doing a video. So we're here at the very top of lake, inside the estate gates. That's what it looks like there. And Zach's already worn out. It's gonna be a long way up, but here's a little history lesson. This is the Cobb Estate. That's what this driveway used to go to. There used to be a really big old house up there that burned down a long time ago. And then here's the train that used to be at the very top of the mountain. It's called the Lowe Railway. It used to go all the way around the mountain. It was really cool. And we're gonna go see what's left of it. Zach, come here and read with me.
No. Okay, see this right here?
Yeah.
This is called a castor bean.
Ew.
This is more deadly than cyanide. One of these can kill like 5 people if they ingest it. And here's a big plant. And it's just for me, because Wyatt just told me this is 5 miles. Why? I thought it was just going to be
Anyways, the Cobb Estate sits at the mouth of the Las Flores Canyon and across the Echo Mountain.
You don't have to read out loud. You can just like skim it and
Okay.
say that it's...
Okay, we're just gonna skim it now.
No.
You guys they can pause the video and they can read it.
No, you're just gonna like skim that and say there's a white city or something.
There's a white city.
It's great.
It's 5.5 miles up, right?
Oh my God, Wyatt!
Yes!
He didn't tell me. He was just like, oh, we're just gonna go.
2.75.
Yeah, I'm wearing brand new Doc Martens.
Oh, you're so screwed.
Yep,
I know.
he is.
I know now.
Those are gonna look like this when you're done.
Oh my God.
Yeah, no, your fingertips.
Yeah. And I'm wearing jeans.
Oh,
You got socks, right?
you're gonna melt.
Yeah.
Those aren't real jeans.
They're jeans.
Whatever.
This is all your fault.
you're gonna have fun.
This is all your fault.
It's gonna be a fun time. Right down there, like we said before, is the old estate. There used to be like a big mansion and stuff in there. Burned down a long time ago. I think about like the 19-teens or something. You see the beginning of the trail.
Downtown.
Yeah, that's the beginning of the trail there.
Downtown.
And then downtown is where, oh yeah, there. You can kind of see the buildings out there. That's downtown LA.
Let's keep going.
Okay.
Wyatt!
Oh, gross. What? Oh my God.
There's something in there.
But, there's a tomato that came up. All right, everyone, back at you again. I'm pretty much pooped. Zach is done. He has blisters on his foot, but we're here at the top of the Echo Mountain Trail. So you can see, got some signs right here. It says Echo Mountain Trail and Mount Wilson Road. So this will actually connect to Mount Wilson somehow. I'm not really sure. And you got Mount Lowe Road. It goes all the way up there. There used to be, you can kind of see up there, there used to be an old train that used to go along here. It goes down over there, down there. I'm gonna go down there in a second. That's the Echo Mountain remains of the hotel down there. The train used to come up the mountain and you get another train. And I think it used to go all the way along here. It's actually still kind of paved right there. So I'm sure there used to be train tracks right here years and years and years ago. Now, I'm gonna go here. So that's the trail you come up from Lake and you go right over here. And I'm gonna show you guys where the remains of the old Echo Mountain Hotel used to be. It actually burned down in 1900. And man, I was last up here, I want to say like 12 years ago, probably when I was in 6th or 7th grade in middle school. Been a long time. And I think it's actually like 2.5 miles up here. I thought it was gonna be 5 miles up here, but no, we were surprised. Got to the top here and saw the sign, I was like, oh my God. But I'm gonna stop here, I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Right over there, up over those trees and stuff, I saw the pine trees. I knew, oh my God, we're here. And
So this is, I guess, the way of the Mount Lowe Railway. And they had like tanks in there and they had pipes that went all the way from Pasadena, 8 miles up in here. And there were the tanks and they powered generators and the generators made the electricity for the hotel, which looks like this. This photo is from, what, 1898?
yeah, it's about like 1890s. It's insane.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a little power station right there. That's the hotel.
Yep. That tank.
Crazy.
That's
And
the
then-
tank that we're talking about that's filled with fuel, gas,
Yeah.
natural gas probably.
You got railways. This is about where the rails would come along.
Wow.
And it would take you all the way just on the scenic route around the mountain. All right, Zach.
There's
So
a wheel
we're
down there.
huh?
There's a wheel down there.
Holy crap!
That must have been heavy.
There's like 2 wheels. All right, so this is actually what's left of one of the trains that went around the mountain. See, it's a chassis. You got the wheels. That's a giant super old school electric motor that has a giant gear on the
I
end.
wonder what these wires are made of.
Weird. Probably lead.
I'm
It could
thinking
be lead.
dude.
They used some really bad materials back in the day.
No,
Yeah,
it's
it's
a
got-
little stronger than lead.
It's got like a snow plow on it. Got some rails. Yeah, that's what's left. That used to go all the way up and around there. That's
Awesome.
so cool. This is like more than 100 years old, dude. Isn't that
So,
crazy? I love stuff like this.
I do.
It's so cool. Yeah, we're getting a little closer to the end over there. You see a giant gear coming up.
What's that?
That is part of the pulleys that would pull the train up the mountain.
And then what is this?
This is the ruins of maybe part of the power station.
Maybe. Is the tank still here or no?
No.
It's all like river rock.
Yeah. There's like an old wall that's built. I don't know what that is. That must be an old platform down there.
Go down there.
I actually don't remember this. Ugh. There's a table. Huh. All right, another sign, Zach. So this is kind of showing what kind of used to be here. We had right down here in this area would have been like the casino and dance hall as well as tennis courts. You can see we are here. That's all of old Pasadena. It's all nice and
there's-
flat.
And
And there's
stairs.
still stairs
We got
here.
Stairs.
It's crazy. This
There's
so this
1, 2, 3.
Oh, here's another
4,
sign.
5, 6,
picnic
7,
area.
9 stairs, Wyatt.
1900 this was all kind of
Dude,
built.
There's 9 stairs
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
It's insane. There used to be a freaking like dance hall and casino right here, man.
We got
At the-
stairs.
At the top of a mountain. Like what crazy person would want to do this?
I don't know.
I was actually reading up a little bit like on who built. I forget the guy's name, but it was like
Ted Bundy?
the guy called like with the last name of Lowe. They went to Colorado with his millionaire buddy, and they checked out another freaking railway that went up a mountain that was steam powered. So they were like, "Oh, we should do better than that. We should make a freaking fully electric one." And so they built it. The guy had $1 million and he just built it because he wanted to.
So this is talking about the power plant. which I
Yeah,
guess
so this is
here.
so that's part of the foundation of where the power plant used to be. And I guess
wonder
that's
if the tank is still here.
and I think the tank's gone.
At least the foundation for the tank, because the foundation for the tank must have been like really gnarly because it's
Uh,
holding gas.
It could have been. It might be like a giant concrete circle. Maybe there's like a generator sitting in here a long time ago.
Maybe.
Wow.
All right, I'm gonna
Zoom
try to
out a
walk
bit.
this line. And not- oh,
Dude, don't fall in there. There's no one here to help us.
there's a bicycle.
I'm gonna go back the other way, the safe way. And we found the Echo Mountain picnic area. And over here we find a wild Zach that has found one of the ginormous gears.
Hi, welcome to Pulitzer House.
Or a pulley.
How can I help you today?
Look at that. I got the cable on it still. Dude,
Read that.
look how thick this is. Like a
What is this? What does this do? It looks like it pushes it down.
maybe they kind of close and lock it in. Ooh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Very cool.
They must have locked the cable in. Keep it from slipping maybe?
Must have been super safe. I'd trust this train.
Look how heavy duty this stuff is. Got these giant pulleys stuck in the ground. What does this say? Historical marker. Cable wheel. Last remnant of the incline section, Mount Lowe Railway. Wow. Built by Professor T.S.C. Lowe and D.J. McPherson, engineer. Erected. What does it say? 1963. Wow. Well, I guess 1963. So they must have kind of moved it here, maybe. That's crazy. Mount Lowe Trail, 140 yards.
I want to go down there, whatever that is.
Yeah. So here we're coming up on the old. This would have been the old train station here.
I'm gonna fall.
Hi. There's a husky coming.
Okay, pulleys.
Yeah, really big pulleys. There's stairs.
Yep.
So this here, there's some concrete rubble here. This is what's left of the old train station. This is kind of where you would board, and it would take you along the mountain up back over there.
Huh.
Everything burned down in like 1900, pretty much.
Ooh, what is that?
Huh.
Metal.
Metal?
Bunches of metal.
Oh yeah. I wonder if that's is that part of another train? There's some.
No, I think that's a bump stop.
Oh, maybe.
So those pulleys must have been over there.
Yeah. Yep. This is the
I
old.
want to look at the metal.
Okay. Lots of old concrete rubble and stuff. There's some rail down there. Oh yeah, I guess that is kind of a bump stop. Yeah. It's like bolted in the side of the mountain right there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Okay, the rail is heavy.
Yep.
Some cables. Some big rail.
Really?
Oh my God, I want to lift it.
Probably take it down with us if you want.
If I could lift it, I might want to.
We shouldn't. Wow. Oh, it's little.
It's quite heavy.
Wow. Holy crap.
I don't know how much it weighs.
That's probably a good at least 50 pounds.
Maybe more.
I don't think you're going to carry that down with you.
No, I'm not.
Maybe some other time. That is some big rail.
Just don't lift it like I did because I just used my back.
Whoa. Oh my God. Okay, that's like at least 80 pounds. I'm just going to leave you right there. Wow.
Sweet. All right, and then we got all this stuff that we cannot lift.
No.
There's no
Gonna be here for
no
like
lift in here.
thousands of years.
This I don't think is attached to anything. And is it weird that I just want to lift stuff up?
No.
All right, give me a hand, Wyatt. Get
You
a
don't
hand
wanna
on
lift
there.
That up. That's even
I just
heavier.
want to see if we can move it at all.
Maybe you can kind of lift it like this. A little bit.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's not that heavy.
No. I'm not sure what that would be.
Ah,
Still have a concrete
like hooky
foundation.
things.
This is like bolted down.
Yeah, this is crazy. There's more rail over here.
Old square bolts right in
I
the
love
mountain.
this. I think that's so awesome.
Yeah.
Love it.
So this might have been like a train station, like where they kind of store maybe one or two of them.
Yeah, yeah.
I could kind of see that.
And this is probably where the thing was, the reel.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking right here is where the pulleys were.
Yeah. It could
I don't know. Because this might have been a building still and it was falling down.
Yeah.
So in 93 or whatever, they took those out of here and let it fall so people don't get hurt.
Could have been.
And then dumbasses like us come climb through it, we're going to fall and get ourselves hurt.
So this right here, this is the gully I was talking about. This is where you would come up.
So this is where the train went?
Yep, this is where you would come up the mountain. All right, so we did a little reading. So this was there first.
Yes.
Then this burned down in 1905.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
so
then in
so-
1906 they built this.
Yeah, and then they built that because as you can see, you got the wall right there, which is right about there.
And this is what housed the wheels.
And you can
pull
see-
wheels, so it would have been right there.
Yeah. So those wheels that were over there would have been inside here.
And they
think.
were removed in 1963.
Yeah. And this was actually purposely demolished.
Yes.
Yeah, and you can see the little stairs right there, which are right over there.
Yep.
And then the rails. You can see the wall. That used to be right there.
And then this other sign says there was a house right here.
Yep. Oh yeah, good view of the house.
Finished it in November 24th, 1894. Wow. And you can see these stairs are right there.
Yep.
There was just
Stairs
a bunch
there.
of stucco and stuff.
And that house there would have been right there.
And that was his house, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
The Echo Mountain house. And he's got a bunch of his friends.
Or it was, I think it was the.
That's Kathy right there.
Yeah.
Kathy. Ted.
Look, everyone's all dressed up in like fancy dresses and top hats and stuff.
Yeah. It definitely wasn't this hot
No.
on that day.
It used to snow here.
Yeah.
It happened.
All right, let's go into the house.
And drugs are bad. Yeah, you got Professor Thaddeus S.C. Lowe, A.W. Decker, and David J. McPherson. We're all kind of responsible for building this thing.
And this guy is the inventor of the McPherson strut.
Could have been.
It's a revolutionary design with a lower control arm,
Mm-hmm.
and then the strut and the spring are actually together.
See, we're still doing car stuff. It's not just all about trains and mountains and hiking.
Also called a coilover.
Yeah.
So it only has one A-arm and the strut.
Yep.
And then it goes up. Here's the stairs. Got a nice curve. It's your dream car, Wyatt?
It is. I better get one now.
So we just got a text from a guy selling a Porsche 914.
Mm-hmm.
He wants, what is it, 4,500?
4,500.
And it's halfway decent.
It is. It's got a really funky paint job. You guys see if we get it.
Yeah, I think we should do it.
I think so. And it's like, well, it's also converted to carbide.
Ooh, round thing. Is that a pool?
That's the old reservoir.
Oh, is it?
Water, yeah. What's this? There's a gauge right here.
Temperature.
Huh. Echo Mountain House. Oh, you can kind of see like the layout of the kitchen, dining room, hallway. This must be the bedrooms. You get the kitchen. It actually burned down because of a kitchen fire. That's like I guess that's like the grand living room. You got a fireplace and stuff. Wow. This here, this is called Echo Mountain because see that microphone right there?
Yeah.
Let's go try the microphone out.
Are you going to say subscribe to Zach and Wyatt?
Maybe. So this is actually not the original speakerphone. The original one from the 1900s would have been right there on that post. Subscribe to Zach and Wyatt!
What?
You hear it?
That was like 3 seconds after.
Yeah.
Here.
Get all the way out here.
That delay.
There was like 5 echoes after that, like 3 seconds after.
Wow, it like bounces down.
Yeah, it goes like in there and like over there and then down. Yep, that's why it's called Echo Mountain.
Have anything else we need to say?
Oh, it's the Echo phone. See that? That's where the original one used to be. Ooh, that was a hawk. You hear that hawk?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Oh, there it is.
I hope they can hear that. Oh yeah.
Going down.
Where is it?
It's gonna come by that tree in a minute. Hopefully. Nope.
Nope, it's gone. Again.
Subaru!
Wow.
I want to keep playing with the echo thing. What else?
Do Zach and Wyatt again.
Zach and Wyatt!
Wow.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. I hope they can hear that in the video. I didn't know this, but there's actually more, Zach. So you can see right here, there's an old house with it's called the Chalet, the Lowe Railway. This is the Chalet, which I guess would have been right over there. And it was a 12-bedroom hotel with a freaking post office and a dining room. And it was the Echo Mountain House. It was originally called the Echo Mountain House when it opened up in 1893, and it was renamed the Chalet when the larger Echo Mountain House over there was built. That's cool. Why would there be a post office up here? It's a hotel.
So you could stay at the hotel and not worry about your business?
I guess. So this part also burned down in fierce windstorms with fire in 1905 as well. 1905. Man, I wish we were up on a clearer day, but last time I was up here, it was so clear. You could see all the way out into the ocean. You could see Catalina Island, and you could also see oil tankers floating out there.
Yeah, which float, by the way.
Yeah.
They're not on the ground at all.
No.
I'm done.
You're done?
I'm so done. I'm so tired.
Yeah, I'm pretty beat too.
I'm out of here.
My calves are beat.
Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, you won't want more videos like this. Let us know if you like it.
That means we're going to have to do more hikes like this.
What's up, POVLA? Where you at? Where you at?
Yeah,
Where's Mount Lowe?
Shout out to POVLA. You guys to do this.
Where's your Mount Lowe video?
Yeah.
Huh?
He's going to do a way more descriptive video.
Oh, well, yeah, he'll know what he's talking about. But we are two people.
Yeah.
And
We're car people. We don't really we're just car stuff. We kind of came up here like for the train part.
Any automotive, any vehicle. So trains are cool.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Trains are cool. Bye.
Bye. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.